Sup guys, this is Ryan. Um, I've been busy, I've been working, and working. I go to school now, college. Back to get my bachelor's degree in IT. Some of you have known that, know who I am, what I've done, and part of, how do I say this? The part of my time for War Commander game hacking has come to a halt. Sorry, I love soda, but I'm getting into water. Have to. Anyways, I haven't been hacking the game in quite some time, and I just decided to open the game today because I had heard that Kicksite implemented assault platoons. So I've been looking into making those platoons accessible through other areas. The reason why I'm doing this YouTube video is because of this guy, Dr. Brian Fury, who thinks he is the best. He's not. He's not at all. In fact, he edits his videos to make it seem legit. Now, mind you, we're gonna watch the video, and then you can discern for yourself here. Okay, Dr. Brian Fury, War Commander. It's in my history. He just streamed this video. We're gonna watch this video. Except I'm gonna turn off the sound because that way y'all can hear me. Now mind you, I want you to pay close attention here. I'm gonna make this full screen here. I want you to pay close attention to the time. Hold on here, if it'll go away. It says 23:34 on the bottom. Okay, so if this was a legit video, a 17-minute video, so I don't need to worry about the hour, only the minutes. I'm going to move over this notepad here from my second screen. As of this video, 23:34 is what shows in the bottom right. If we add the 17 minutes that it says here on the bottom, 17:40. The 40 I'm not really counting because that's 40 seconds, and the 23 and semicolons I'm not worried about. So what is 34 plus 17? Well, if you add 10 to 34, that's 44. Then you add 7 more. What is that? 51. Okay. If this video was legit, the time it takes for this video to be completed should be 23:51 approximately. Now I'm going to move this out. We're going to skip all the way here. Play it just for a slight second so you can see it. Oh. Right there, toward the end, it shows 23:58. That's approximately 7 minutes not shown here. 7 minutes. Oh, here. I'm sorry. This is what it's supposed to be if it was legit, and this is what it shows if you watch this video. Now, I don't like debunking his videos, but when I know a video is fake, I know a video is fake. Now, cheat engine, it works, but it doesn't work like that. I mean, it can, but not for this particular situation. So, I will let you guys watch your own video. Watch this video of yourself, and watch the time. Notice that the time changes when he's, in his base, checking on the platoons. So I'll let you do your own research, and this is it for now, okay, guys? By the way, I will eventually go back into making hacks, at least releasing them. I haven't really worked on it in months, but I'm doing a lot, working 6-7 days a week, 8 to 10 hours a day, donating plasma, going to college, sleep. I'm getting like 4 to 6 hours of sleep every single day. It's exhausting. So, goodbye, guys.